Tepache is a fermented pineapple drink, refreshingly fizzy on a hot summer day. Start by rinsing the pineapple, then cut off the stem and top. Cut the pineapple skin into large pieces. Separate the flesh from the core and save the flesh for another recipe. Now, put the skin and core in a clean jar. Add sugar, put the cinnamon stick in, and the cloves. Add some fresh ginger and some chili for those of you who want to add some spice. Then cover with water and remember to leave 5 centimeters to the top. Stir with a spoon until the sugar is dissolved. Now close the lid and leave to ferment for 2 to 5 days at room temperature. Shake the jar daily or stir with a wooden spoon. Look out for bubbles. Try it, and if you like the taste, it's time to filter and remove the pineapple and spices. Bottle the Tepache in pressure-resistant bottles. Leave at room temperature for a couple of days until the fizz is to your liking. Then store in the fridge. Serve this delicious, gut-friendly drink on ice and enjoy on a hot summer day.